when you get your first hive and you're successful, getting your bees end up making you a little bit of honey that you can get, and you extract your honey and you give it to family and friends, and you stand there and you wait for them to smile when they first taste that honey. And no matter how many honeys you've tasted, the honey you made or your bees made, it's always the best honey you had. I can always tell someone's going to be a successful beekeeper by the look in their eyes when they're holding that first frame of bees in their hand. You can see, they go from nervousness to complete calm because they realize what it is. It's a connection with nature, and you're part of it now. Beekeeping is one of those hobbies that when you're looking to come into it, you think it's this chaotic thing with bees everywhere, and how am I going to do this, and they're going to get stung, and then you get into it and you find out they're really gentle creatures. It's just a fantastic hobby that I tell people, if you got a little bit of time, you don't need a lot of space, you could put colonies on a little, you could have 2 colonies in your backyard anywhere. And it's just something I recommend to everybody that has the time to do it. I've yet to come across someone that said, I regret ever having bees. I'm a prime example of that. I was a hobby guy. I got 2 hives, and the second I had bees in those, I was hooked. And within a couple of years, I went from 2 hives to 150 hives. People, when they're successful, they never walk away from it. You see them come in with a smile on their face, and they're so happy that they got honey from their bees. And I feel a little bit of pride being that I sold them their equipment, but I didn't walk away from them. I helped them when they needed help. I explained things to them, told them what they needed to do. When they had a problem, they'd come in and talk to me. And I didn't sell them anything. All I gave them was knowledge, and I felt good about that. Because, there's no fun in failing at anything in life, especially beekeeping. You're responsible for this colony of honeybees. So if I can make them successful, I do get pride out of that. And that's why I can't leave this industry.